friends, in this video we will learn how to add Facebook pixel or meta pixel code in your WordPress website's header section. As you know, I'm into my events manager, right? Facebook events manager it is, and here in the data set we have our pixel code that we have generated earlier in our previous videos and right now I'm into overview section of that particular pixel code. Scrolling down, here we will get an option of setup metapixel. We will simply click on it, install code manually, and we will copy the metapixel code. Now this code needs to be pasted in the WordPress website header section. So I will simply switch tab in the browser and I have already opened my website's admin dashboard, and as you know it is the WordPress website dashboard, right? So here we will install a plugin to add code in our headers section. So in the left side I went to the plugins, add plugin. Here we will search for header and footer. Here we have a plugin named WP code. We will simply install this and then we will activate this plugin on our WordPress website. I have clicked on activate button after installing this plugin. Now it has been activated, and as we scroll down in left side, here we have a new option that is of code snippets. We will simply go to the header and footer section, and here I have already pasted a metapixel code. I will remove it. Now it's all clear. I will simply paste that particular code that we have copied earlier. So Ctrl+V, we have pasted that code, and whenever we click on save changes, the code have been added to our WordPress website. Now let me tell you one more thing. If you go into your ads manager and try to create a custom audience of your website visitors, then might be you will not be able to create custom audience as of now, because it takes some time to start reflecting into your Meta Business Suite and business ad account that you have pasted your Facebook pixel code onto your website header section. Let me check. As you can see, I'm into my Meta Ads Manager, right? And if I visit the audience section and if I try to create a new audience, let us refresh this page again. Whenever we click on create audience and click on custom audience and we click on website and when we click on next, it is showing a error, a red caution error. That this red caution error displays that we have not added our Facebook pixel onto our website. But as you know, we have already pasted the Facebook pixel code on our website, and till now Meta have no idea that we have already added it. So it takes 24 to 48 hours to for Meta to identify that you have already added the pixel code on your website. I will tell you a short trick for this so that Meta will get to know that you have already added the Facebook pixel to your website in our next video. So that red caution error will automatically turn into green signal. So either you can wait for next 24 to 48 hours for Meta to identify that you have already added the Facebook pixel code on your website, or to increase the speed of this process and get Meta identified that you have already added the code to your website, then kindly watch our next video. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.